Hello all. Just now we have finished the learning with a Stateflow. Now we will start with a project-based developments part MVD using MVD Matlab Simulating Stateflow. Now here in this session we will start with a requirement-based learning for a project hand dryer controller. Usually everyone use this hand dryer when they are coming out from a washroom after they wash their hands, okay, for drying their hands like wet hands. So how does it codes and how its requirements are coming and how it will be working? So these are some parts we will learn here. So the requirement thing here you can see how industrial requirements are exactly. That thing I want to tell you through these sessions. That's why I have created this the requirement format here. You can see the requirement one. So before developing anything from the customers, we are getting a requirements only. From that requirements, we are developing a model. So you can see here, this is a request ID. Request ID is RQ01 and requirement. What is in the text format and priority. So some industries use this format. Some industry use advanced formats of the requirement. So there are various things. Some industries prepare abstract for that. Then they'll come with us. Then they can design their products using MBD. Okay. So here it is a simple requirement I have taken here. That is for hand dryer controller. So requirement one. So requirement one and request with respect to request ID one, it is the condition is hand distance. Whatever you can see here in this image, the hand distance is here of this person. You can see hand distance is less than 10 centimeter. Means it is too near to the hand dryer. And that is more than 1 second. That is more than 1 second. And temperature is less than 65 degrees Celsius. In that scenario, my fan status, like hand dryer, what is inside that hand dryer contains? One is temperature sensor, another one is fan and heater. Those three things are there inside it. So temperature sensor detects the temperature. What is the temperature? And the fan is like to rotate and give pass the air. And heater is like to heat that air and dry our hands. Okay. So here you can see if my hand distance is less than 10 centimeter for more than 1 second and temperature is less than 65 degrees Celsius. In that scenario, what action should I need to take? So set fan status should be on and heater status should be on. So these are this kind of implementation we have to do here as well. So the second requirement I'll tell you here, you can see condition where my hand distance is less than 10 centimeter for more than 1 second and my temperature is greater than 70 degrees Celsius. Greater than or equal to 70 degrees Celsius. Here you can see my temperature is less than 65 degrees Celsius. In that scenario, we have made the fan status on and heater status on. But here you can see we are making fan status on and heater status off. Okay. So next thing, the next requirement we will look here. You can see now. Third requirement where if my fan status is on and heater status is on, but my hand distance is greater than 15 centimeter and more than that is for more than 3 seconds. In that scenario, we will turn off the fan and turn off the heater. Okay, in that scenario, means we didn't have any input to the dryer add-on. Okay, so another condition, if my fan status is continuously on for 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, anyhow, we have to turn off this fan and heater, both the things. Okay, then the last request is last requirement is if my fan is on and heater is on. Okay, and my temperature is greater than equal to 70 degrees Celsius. So you can see set the heater status is off, and if my fan is on and heater is off, and my temperature is 65 degrees Celsius, in that scenario, I need to make heater is on because I need to increase the temperature. Here my temperature is more That's why I am turning off the heater. If my temperature is less than 65, I am turning on the heater. So I'll tell, now we will see the implementation part, how I implemented in Matlab Simulink. Okay.